Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, as we can see continuing to head to the upside, breaking through this range high resistance that we were under before, and as you would expect continuing to the upside, heading into a nice amount of profit for Polygon for me here. As you know, I took my long position down here when we got to this crazy overextended level, when we basically got down below this bear market range low here. You can see on this ray, I basically took the position pretty much when we broke below those lows, because I figured that that would be a big area of liquidity and demand that we would reverse from. We obviously had a bit more of a retrace, and then obviously with Donald Trump winning the election, we did see a nice reversal from that area. Big massive bullish divergences all across the market. Lovely bounce back inside the range, tested the high, tested the low, and now looking like we're coming up towards that place. I told everyone that we'd hit that 0.23 Fibonacci at 50 cents, the first target, as we start to continue back to the upside, I would say, to reverse a lot of the damage that's been done to Polygon during Bitcoin's chopping sideways. Not much to report apart from that. Looking good for continuation to the upside. Bitcoin's at 100k, everything looking really bullish. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.